Wella Professionals, Invigo, Nutrient Rich, Deep Nourishing Mask, 500 milliliter. Price, Rs wine, 350 approx. It all started one Monday morning. I was running late for a meeting, and as I glanced in the mirror, my hair looked like it had been through a desert storm. Dry, frizzy, dull, and just lifeless. Weeks of heat styling, exposure to pollution, and skipping deep conditioning had clearly taken their toll. That's when I knew my hair needed a serious intervention. Enter Wella Professionals Invigo Nutri Enrich Deep Nourishing Mask. I'd heard hairdressers rave about this product before, and it often sat on salon shelves like a holy grail no one questioned. So I finally caved and picked up the large 500 ml tub, determined to revive my dry, rebellious strands. The first thing I noticed, the packaging. It's sleek, functional, and salon grade. No nonsense. The scent hit me next. Warm, slightly fruity, with a comforting, creamy undertone that felt like a mini spa moment. It wasn't overpowering, but lingered just enough to make the experience feel luxurious. After shampooing, I scooped a generous amount and worked it through my mid lengths to ends. The texture was rich and buttery, instantly melting into my hair without feeling greasy or too heavy. I clipped my hair up and let it sit for about 5-7 minutes while I finished my shower routine. The results after rinsing: silky, soft, untangled hair that felt like it had taken a deep breath. Even wet, my hair felt smoother and more manageable. But the real magic showed after drying. The frizz had taken a back seat, and my hair actually looked nourished, with shine, bounce, and softness that I hadn't seen in weeks. What makes this mask stand out is its nutrient rich complex. It includes ingredients like goji berry, rich in vitamins and peptides, vitamin E to protect hair from further stress, and panthenol for deep moisture. It's like feeding your hair a smoothie packed with all the good stuff. I began using it once a week as a deep conditioning treatment and noticed a sustained improvement in texture and health. Even my ends, which used to feel like straw, began to feel more alive. However, it's not without a few caveats. If you have very fine hair, you might want to use a smaller amount or restrict application to the ends, as it can weigh down your hair if overused. Also, it's not a quick fix miracle for extremely damaged hair. It restores moisture and softness, but won't reverse chemical damage overnight. Pros: deeply nourishes and softens dry, dull hair. Pleasant, salon like fragrance. Rich texture that spreads easily. Large 500 ml tub lasts for months. Contains goji berry, vitamin E, and panthenol for intense care. Great for weekly deep conditioning. Cons: may be too heavy for very fine or oily hair types. Needs consistent use for best results. Not a substitute for professional treatments on severely damaged hair. Final verdict: the Wella Invigo Nutrient Rich Deep Nourishing Mask is a must have if your hair is thirsty for moisture and in need of a little TLC. It's a salon quality experience in a tub, offering real, visible results with continued use. If you're looking for smooth, soft, frizz free hair that smells divine, this one's a winner.